Hi folks, today we're going to try starting up R2. Prior to making the video, we put some gas in the fuel tanks and pulled the fuse for the fuel pump so that we crank the engine over and get the oil pressure up in the system. And well, let's see what happens. We're going to prime it and we're trying starting it up. Sounds pretty good.
All right.
Hey, it runs and it sounds great. Well, now we can wrap things up by putting coolant into the system, installing the drive axles, tidying up the engine bay, finishing up the wiring harnesses, and just installing the front sheet metal. We're on the home stretch now, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.